everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Lily, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hello, Lily, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It's always a great day when we can learn something new together. How are you feeling today, Lily?
I'm feeling wonderful, Peter. The weather is beautiful, and I'm excited about today's topic.
That sounds great. And yes, today's topic is a big one, something that many English learners really need help with.
You're right. Today, we're going to talk about how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Yes, confidence, one of the most important skills, not just for English, but for life.
Exactly. So many learners tell me they know the words, they understand grammar, but when it's time to speak, they freeze.
Oh yes, I've been there before. Sometimes you want to say something, but your brain says, wait, what if I make a mistake?
Yes, and that fear stops people from speaking. But today, we want to change that. We'll show you that confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being comfortable.
I love that. Confidence is comfort, not perfection.
Exactly. And before we start, friends, please take a quick moment to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us continue making great lessons for you.
And if you know someone who's learning English, share this video with them. Confidence grows when we learn together.
All right, Peter, let's begin. So, the first step to talking with confidence is to start small.
Start small. That's interesting. What do you mean?
Well, many people think they need to say long, perfect sentences. But in reality, you can start with just one word. Like, hello.
Ah, the magic word. Hello. Simple but powerful.
Yes. And when you say hello, add a smile. A smile is like a bridge that connects you to the other person.
That's true. When someone smiles at me, I immediately feel more relaxed.
Exactly. A smile says, I'm friendly. It's safe to talk to me. It breaks the ice and makes conversation easier.
So the first step, say hello and smile. Easy enough.
Right. You can do this with your neighbor, your classmate, even the cashier at the store.
Okay, I've got my hello and I've got my smile. What comes next?
Next, ask a simple question. It doesn't have to be deep. Something like, how are you?
How are you? That's classic, but it works.
It does, because it shows you care. And if you say it with a warm tone, people will want to respond.
So I say hello, I smile, and I ask, how are you?
Perfect. That's already a conversation.
Wow, I didn't realize it's that easy.
Yes. You don't need big vocabulary or complicated grammar. Just simple, friendly energy.
I like that. But what if I don't know what to talk about next?
Good question. There's one topic everyone can talk about, the weather.
Oh yes, the weather is a great icebreaker.
Right. You can say, it's such a nice day today, or it's really hot this week, isn't it?
Or, I think it might rain later. Simple sentences like that.
Exactly. The weather connects everyone because we all experience it.
That makes it less scary. I don't have to search for deep topics.
Yes, start small, stay natural.
Okay, I have my hello, my smile, my simple question, and a weather comment. What else can I do to show confidence?
Your body language is key.
Body language. The silent communicator.
Exactly. Stand tall, shoulders back, and relax your hands. This posture makes you look and feel confident.
So, no crossing arms or looking down?
Right. Open posture means open conversation.
Got it. Shoulders back like a superhero.
Ha! Yes! Be a conversation superhero.
And what about eye contact? Should I look directly into their eyes?
Yes, but gently. You don't need to stare. Just make natural eye contact for a few seconds at a time. It shows interest.
Okay, not a staring contest then.
Exactly. It's about connection, not competition.
I like that. Smile, good posture, gentle eye contact. These are small steps, but they build confidence.
Yes, every small step counts.
This is great, Lily. I already feel more confident just talking about it.
That's the magic. The more you practice small things, the easier big conversations become.
All right, friends, we've learned how to start. Saying hello, smiling, asking a question, and using confident body language.
Yes, but we're not done yet. In the next part, we'll talk about listening, understanding, and keeping a conversation going naturally.
That's right, so don't go anywhere. Take a sip of water, stretch a little, and join us in part.
See you in a moment. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our episode on how to talk to anyone with confidence. I'm Lily.
And I'm Peter. If you're just joining us, go back and check out part 1. We shared great tips about starting small, smiling, and using confident body language.
That's right. And now we're going to talk about how to listen, respond, and build real connection in conversation.
Listening, the skill most people forget.
Yes, so many people think speaking well is the goal, but actually, good listeners make the best conversationalists.
That's true. When someone really listens to me, I feel valued.
Exactly. Listening shows respect and creates trust. It's one of the easiest ways to make people like talking to you.
So how can English learners practice listening during a conversation?
Start by focusing completely on the person. Don't worry about your next sentence. Just listen to their words, their tone, and their emotion.
That sounds peaceful. Just listen and be present.
Yes, when you do that, your response becomes more natural.
But what if I don't understand what they said? That happens to me sometimes.
That's okay. You can simply say, "I'm sorry, could you please repeat that?" Or, "What does that mean?"
So it's okay to ask for help?
Of course! Asking for clarification doesn't make you weak. It shows you care and want to learn.
That's a great mindset. I'll remember that.
Also, you can use listening expressions like, "Oh, really? I see." Or, "That's interesting." These short responses keep the conversation flowing.
Ah, yes. Like giving small signals to show I'm listening.
Exactly. It makes the other person feel comfortable and heard.
And what about tone? Does it matter how we say things?
It matters a lot. A friendly tone can make even simple words sound warm and inviting.
So it's not just what we say, but how we say it.
Exactly. You can say, "Hello," in a flat tone, and it sounds boring. But if you say it with energy, "Hello," it feels friendly.
Tone is emotion. Got it.
Yes. And another tip, use the person's name when you talk. People love hearing their own name.
That's true. Lily, that's a great idea. See? It feels more personal.
Yes. Thank you, Peter. It creates connection.
Okay, so listen carefully, respond naturally, use a warm tone, and remember names. Anything else?
Yes. One last secret. Be curious.
Curious?
Yes. Ask questions that show genuine interest, like, "Oh, how did you start learning English?" Or, "What do you like to do on weekends?"
Ah, questions that invite stories, not just short answers.
Exactly. That's how real connection happens.
I love that. Conversations become richer when we care about the person, not just the grammar.
Yes. Confidence grows when you focus on connection instead of perfection.
Beautifully said, Lily.
Thank you, Peter.
Well, friends, that's our full guide on how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Let's quickly review. Start small, say hello, and smile. Use simple questions like, "How are you?" or "Isn't it a nice day?" Keep good posture and eye contact. Listen actively. Use a warm tone and show curiosity.
That's a perfect summary.
Remember, Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build.
Yes, every time you start a small conversation, you become stronger.
So go out there, smile, talk, and connect. You've got this.
Thank you for joining us, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Peter channel for more fun English conversations.
And remember, learning English is not just about language. It's about connection, confidence, and joy.
See you next time.